I'm in love with everything right now. Thank you so much, whoever you are, for being you. Thank you for all the beautiful gifts you bring to the world. Thank you for your passion, for your existence, for everything that you are. I love you so much. Even though I don't know you, there's a part of me deep inside that do know you. And that part of me that knows you wants to tell you that I love you. Day 5 and 6, I guess? Yeah, day 5 and 6. Yesterday I didn't make a video because it was a silent day again, so I guess I'm just gonna do these 2 days videos. I wanted to do it every day, but I guess not. Okay. Oh man, what an amazing 2 days these 2 days have been. Completely dry, no water, no food, not even water touching my skin, like no showers, no brushing teeth, no nothing. And I feel freaking fantastic. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I feel good. Ah. Yesterday during the silence day, I had so many ideas. Like, I literally planned out over 150 YouTube video title that I can make right now. So I'm gonna be releasing one video per day for however long, because I know that during these 150 days I'm gonna be learning so much more. And that's just the beginning. Like, there's so I didn't even think about everything I could make into video, but I just oh man, so many ideas. We did something called a cuckoo list. It's basically a list of 7 things that we would like our ideal life to be, and it's like 7 subjects like friends, hobbies, work, family, yada yada. And so I made that. It was just so amazing. It filled me right up with energy doing that, like writing about all the crazy stuff I want to accomplish in my life, and actually the crazy stuff that I will accomplish in my life, because that's ultimately the goal, is to manifest that list into existence. So I'm so freaking excited for that. Like, get ready, guys. There's gonna be a lot coming on in my life. If you're watching this right now and the video counter is still like 100 or so views, holy moly. Stick to my channel, stick to the things I do, because you'll see that I have plans to completely review, revolutionize everything on the planet, and I'm going to bring them to fruition. And literally right now, all I need is support from people, just people who love the message of love that I bring to the world. If you spread that message to have it be seen by more people, well, that's going to give me everything that I need to bring these plans into fruition. But I mean, it's gonna happen anyway, so just do whatever you feel like doing. Oh, yesterday was a full day in silence, and I just was buzzing with ideas the whole day. It's just amazing, like downloads and writing in my journal, and it was just like, oh, I love it, I love it. Today was another day that was absolutely amazing. Started with some yoga. Didn't do much of the yoga because I was feeling quite weak. But as I explained in one of the sharing circles today, it's like my body feels weak, but my mind and my heart are so aligned and so connected. It's just, I just know that I can do it. Right now, I'm already 3.5 days into the dry fast, and I feel like I could go on forever. Like, it's nothing, because gradually, the more I do things I love, the more it fills up my energy. Just like right now, I literally just helped someone release a bunch of emotional stuff that she had going on, and that filled me up with energy. like, like helping people is the thing that fills me with the most energy. So guess what? I'm gonna keep on helping people, guys. That's what I love to do, and it turns out that when you do the things you love, you actually get energy. You don't necessarily need food when you do things you love all the time, because that love, that excitement, that passion that you're feeling deep inside your heart, it's what gives you energy. That's the craziest thing, right? Doing things you love can actually feed you energy. And doing what I'm doing right now, this video, I love it. Helping people release emotional stuff, I love it. Helping people release past traumas, I freaking love it. Helping people do whatever that helps them is what I'm here for. Helping people feel the same kind of love that I feel deep inside my heart is my mission on earth. I want and I will spread this love to as many people as I can. And if you're listening right now to this, you're definitely someone that I'm reaching out for with my heart. And I love it. I love it so much. I'm going to keep on doing it to the end of the days that I spend here on earth. Like, this is who I am. I am someone who spreads love to as many people as I can. So, thank you for being you. Today, after that, we had, like I said, a sharing circle after the yoga. That was nice. We had some meditations, some free time, some. Actually, one of the participants here shared us some yoga techniques of Uddiyana Bandha and uh, Agni Stora, I think, which was phenomenal. Like I really liked it. I'm gonna add that to my practice for sure. It was really nice. And we actually watched the movie Princess Moana, which was very, very nice also. Actually made me cry a bunch of times. Not ashamed to say that I cry, everyone. That's who I am. I'm a human being. I have tears of gratitude most of the days. So can you if you start being in love with life. Gratitude is the best feeling ever. You can fall in love with everything, and you can fall in love with the gift of life, and that's when gratitude comes in. So we watched Princess Moana. Lots of cool messages about like being yourself, following your passion, staying true to who you are, bunch of things like that. It was amazing. Yeah, there was just some discussions with people talking about the online businesses that I run, how I do it. Just basically just finding things that you love and sharing it with the world. It's basically what I do. And uh, and yeah, that after that it's just about being passionate about life, and everything just follows. That's how I'm able to travel right now, just by being passionate. Okay, so that's gonna be it for the video today. Um, if you're interested in that retreat, like check the link back then. That's what I mean. Like I'm passionate about that retreat. Guess what? I have a link to sign up for that retreat right under my video. How amazing is that? Oh, oh man. Thank you for listening, whoever you are. Maybe I know you, maybe I don't. No matter what, I love you. And that's all that counts, right? So have a wonderful day. Thank you for being you. Keep following your heart. It guides you to the best of your experiences. Go beyond your fears. Your fears are just there to tell you that there is some resistance to who you are. And when you go past that resistance, you become more of who you are. And that's when the love comes in. So I love you guys and girls and whoever's watching, no matter who you are. I love you so much. Unconditionally, unselfishly, I love you. Bye bye. And I didn't end it.